Yes, children, now I am going to show how to make a bird with a paper plate. Okay, come on, see how I am going to do. Take a paper plate, children, and take one cap to take a measurement of the head of a bird. Okay, first of all, what we have to do is take a red color sheet. If you are not having the red color sheet, children, you can go with the white color A4 sheet and then you can color it. Okay, now take a red color A4 sheet and place the cap here and take the measurement. Take the measurement, children. Outline of a cap. See, like this you have to take. Keep aside and take one more yellow color sheet. Now I am going to take an yellow color. If you are not having the color sheets, you can go with the A4 sheets and then you can color, children. I am having, so that's why I am taking yellow sheet. In this I am going to draw a beak outline. See how I am giving. Like this you have to give. Like this you have to give. Like this you have to draw, children. And one more up to the body. What we have given this circle now, children, for the circle up you have to give one curve like this. That curve also we are drawing in the yellow color sheet. Okay, to the bird like this you have to give, and to the bird, children, back of the bird, back of the paper plate, we need to draw feathers. Like this I am giving. Yes, children, like this I am giving an outline. See how I am giving, draw one curve to inside and go up. This part you need to take it out, children. This part you need to take it out, and this part we need to cut these three different parts. Yes, children, now I am going to cut, but don't use scissors. Ask your parents to cut. Okay, see I am taking a circle outline. Outline I am taking, children. See here. How I am taking the outline, see, with the scissor. Yes. The outline image, whatever you have given the print, that outline you have to take it out like this. Okay, keep aside. And we have given the outlines now, children. These outlines also we need to take it out. See, I am taking it out. Yes, children, like this you have to take. Like this you have to take the beak. Okay, keep aside. And one more. Whatever the outline we have given for the head of the up of the head na, children, this one also I am going to take it out. The outline pencil what we have given, with that outline we need to cut, children. Yes, like this we need to cut. Okay, and one more back of the paper plate, feathers. Yes, feathers also I am taking it out. See, Fevicol. Yes, we have to take it out. Take it out like this. Yes, children. Now, what I am going to do is, see here, I will show you. These parts I am keeping aside in the paper plate like this. Take a blue color, take an yellow color first. Take an yellow color, children. Okay. See how I am going to do. Draw one circle. Draw one yellow color. With the yellow watercolor, you should give one circle. And now I am using red color. Now I am going to take red color, children. See, with the red color, out of this yellow line, I am giving one more circle with red color. One more circle with red color, children. See. Yes. Now I am giving blue color, children. See, now I am giving blue color. Out of this red, I am giving blue. See here. Yes. If you are not having brushes, you can go with the cotton, children. You can do with cotton. Like this you have to do. And on this, now again I am giving green color. Out of that blue color, children, I am giving green. Okay. See here, now I am taking green. Out of the blue, I am giving green color. Yes, like this you have to give. And one more outline. The space was left now, children. There I am taking red color again. There I am taking red. See here, children. Now I am taking red color. Like this you have to give. Yes. Now the paper plate completely filled with all the colors. First I have taken yellow and then on red, then blue, then green. Finally I have come with the red color. Yes, children, now what we have to do is the head. Already we have cut the circle now, children. To this circle you have to pour Fevicol to the edge. Yes. Yes, children, you should pour Fevicol to the edge of the circle and paste it here. See, and paste it here. Like this you have to paste. And this yellow color is there now, children. To the yellow color also you need to pick the Fevicol to the edge. Okay, and stick it back, children. Stick it back like this. Stick it back like this. Okay, like this you have to stick. Okay, back of the paper plate. Now take a beak. Beak also you need to pour Fevicol to the edge and you should stick it here. You should stick it here, children. You should stick it here. And this crown, this also pour Fevicol to the edge, children. To the edge and stick it at the back of the circle. Up of the circle and you should stick it at back. Yes. See, now bird is ready. Okay, now what we have to do is take a marker. Okay. And give outline inside of the beak, children. Give outline inside of the beak and draw one eye and fill it with the marker. or crayon like this. Okay. Now take a brush and dip it into red color. See, and dip it into red color. Back of the feather is there, na children? There you have to give a red color line like this. Give some space in between, children. To the edges, you should draw 2 lines and take one more color, green one. The between space is there, na children? To there, you should draw a line with green color. See, now the bird is ready. I will show you. The paper plate bird. It's a decoration, children. Yes, I think you all will enjoy.